Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take the class for tricks to solve NEET question under the unit P block elements. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Now, under the P block elements, kindly follow. See, normally, we know what are the P block elements? Boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, fluorine family, and inert gas elements. These are elements coming under the P block elements. So, questions we have to take from only P block elements. So, correspondingly, the general characteristic, important compound, everything you have to study under this. Okay. Now, question number 1, let me discuss first. This question was asked in 2016. Among the following, the correct order of acidity is. There are 4 options are given. All are the acids, the corresponding perchloric acid, different acids of the acid of chlorine is the central atom among this. So this question was asked under the P block elements because both chlorine and oxygen it is involved in this coming under the P block. So specifically you can say oxygen family, you can say, or even halogen family, you can say. So let me explain. In order to answer this question, the fundamental idea you must have, what is inductive effect? Actually, this is coming under organic chemistry. Let me define. The permanent effect whereby the polarity is induced on the carbon atom of the substrate and the substituent attached to it, a minor displacement of bonding electron pair which arises due to difference in electronegativity is called inductive effect, usually represented by I. So this is given for organic. So they are considering carbon is the central atom, but in this example chlorine is the central atom. That is the only difference. Kindly follow. So what is the characteristic of inductive effect? Inductive effect is a permanent. It is operating in a saturated part of the molecule. It is usually represented by an arrow at the center of the bond, 2 types, plus I, minus I. Inductive effect decreases as the length of the chain increases. These are the characteristics. Kindly follow. So, if electron attracting group is present, minus I. Electron releasing group is present, plus I. This you must have an idea. Kindly follow. Now, there are groups. What are the groups? Electron releasing groups. What are the electron attracting groups? I have given the list. Kindly follow. So our NO, that is O, oxygen is there, O. So probably it is we have to take the electron attracting groups because oxygen is having the electronegativity of 3.5. Whenever oxygen atom increases, electronegativity character increases, attracting capacity increases. So this idea you must have from the inductive effect. So with help of inductive effect, we can compare acidity, we can compare basicity, we can compare reactivity. In this question, we are comparing acidity. So let me come for the questions. So in this question, the correct answer is this. Let me explain why it is correct answer. Please follow. So when I take the central atom chlorine, please follow, it is connected to OH. It is called perchloric acid. This is a double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. This is the structure of this acid, perchloric acid. HClO4. Please follow, there are 3 double bond. So pi bond will not do harm. 5 bond, 3 pi bond. They will not do harm for the shape. So this is nothing but a tetrahedron. Shape is a tetrahedron according to valence electron pair repulsion theory. So what will happen now? Even chlorine is electronegativity 3. What is happening now? All it is attracting this towards this. All there are 4 oxygen atoms and also center is chlorine. So what will happen now? Because of this oxygen atom and chlorine attached, this hydrogen easily replaced by. So what is an acid? Acid is a substance which will donate H+. So when you compare these 4, here 4 chlorine atoms are attached to central atom. So what will happen now? Because I'm creating more positive on the chlorine. More positive on the chlorine, so that what will happen? The positive character will attract strongly the bond pair between oxygen and hydrogen. So easily it is there. So higher the number of oxygen atom, higher will be acidity. The tricks here is lower the number of oxygen atom, acidity will be less. Higher the number of oxygen atom, acidity will be higher. This is the key. It is due to inductive effect. Very answer is very clear. Please follow. So correct option is A. This is asked in 2016. Please follow. Question number 2. Which one of the following statement is correct? When sulfur dioxide is passed through acidified potassium dichromate solution. Asked in 2016. The year 2016. Options A. The solution is decolorized. B. Sulfur dioxide is reduced. 3. Green chromic sulfate is formed. 4. The solution turns blue. These are the options. As usual, kindly follow what is the basic, which topic it is asked. So this question is asked under the unit P block element. Specifically, we can say under the oxygen family, because sulfur and oxygen is there involved. So this oxygen family, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Please follow. So this is the family. Here both oxygen and sulfur, that is sulfur dioxide, belongs to P block elements. So this is coming under, I can say oxygen family, or that is it belongs to sulfur also. Please follow. So let me come for this, the answer for this question. Here the solution for this question is very, very simple. So you write the stoichiometry of the equation. Potassium dichromate is an oxidizing agent. Sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent. In presence of acid medium, potassium converted into potassium sulfate, chromium converted into chromic sulfate, and water is formed. Here, the chromic sulfate that is formed is green color. Very, very interesting information. Chromic is green color. So answer now, it is very clear. Green chromic sulfate is formed. That is the correct answer. Please follow. Very easy. So the option is C is the correct answer. Please follow. Question number 3. So this is asked in 2018. Let me read the question. Which of the following oxide is most acidic in nature? Please follow. Actually, strictly speaking, they have to ask acidic in nature, they have to, but they should not ask most acidic. The word is actually wrong. Because if all are 4 acid, one among them is most acidic, that question will be reasonable. Anyhow, I should not criticize the questions. It is my duty, I have to indicate the point, that's what I am saying. The question should be, which of the following oxide is acidic in nature? So you take all the 4 acids, they are coming under the family, that is the second, the S block element, that is second group, beryllium. Kindly follow. The magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. And radium also is there, but it is not included. So beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, and barium oxide. Barium oxide, it is there. So we have to compare the acidic nature. So how we can compare? Actually, it is base. All are basics. Oxides are base. When you have studied under the S block element, Oxides are base. That is oxygen. All the element combines with oxygen to form the base. But here the question is acidic, so you should be careful. So when you are coming over here, kindly follow. So before that, let me say what is the topic I will discuss later. This is as usual P block element, strictly speaking, oxygen family. Actually, we can also use the S block elements family. Both we can use. So let me discuss now. Kindly follow. So this is I have written the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, it is there. Kindly follow. So we have beryllium oxide, we have magnesium oxide, we have calcium oxide, we have barium oxide. Please follow. So generally, please follow, basicity increases across the group. Basicity increases across the group. That means acidity decreases. Acidity decreases. When acidity decreases means, so comparatively which is more acidic? Beryllium oxide is more acidic. Please follow. This is the idea. So when you take this beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, that is the calcium oxide and barium oxide, beryllium oxide is more acidic. Actually, I told you it is acidic in nature. Actually speaking, it is having amphoteric in nature. It will behave as a basic, it is behave as an acid. Kindly follow. This we have discussed under the S block elements, under the alkaline earth metals. Kindly verify. So correct answer is B. That means beryllium oxide is most acidic in nature. Please follow. Question number 4. So this question was asked in 2019. Question number 4. Which of the following species not stable? Please follow. Options are A, B, C and D. That is stannous, the OH 6 times 2 minus, silicon Cl 6 2 minus, SiF 6 2 minus, germanium Cl6 2 minus. This is actually a complex. So what is happening here? So how the stability can be determined? Because of the size of the atom, attached to central atom, we can fix the stability. So when you take, this is the what family this is? Okay, before that, let me introduce what is the topic it is. Kindly follow. So this is under P block elements. Topic carbon family. Carbon family means carbon, sulfur, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. This is the family. Carbon, sulfur, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. So what are the, here it is given only silicon, germanium and tin. Only these 3 elements are taken. The corresponding compounds are given. Please follow. This is coming under the carbon family. So now I will come for the explanation for the answer. Stability. I told you stability means it is due to the interaction of the central atom and other atoms. So when you move across the group, the size increases. Please follow. Size of the central atom increases. Here central atom is tin, silicon, germanium. So what is the lowest, smaller size? Silicon. Please follow. Among the 3, silicon is the smallest. So when you take silicon smallest, so 2 options are there, Cl6 or F6. Among these, you go for the halogen atom, halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Again, size increases across the group. So comparatively size, chlorine is greater than fluorine. Chlorine is size greater than fluorine. So what will happen when compared to silicon hexachloride and silicon hexafluoride? Please follow 2 minus complex. Because of the chlorine atoms, high bulky chlorine atoms, that should be unstable. So let me come for the explanation. Just see here. So I am giving very nicely here. I arranged all the 4 compounds. This is the carbon family. So we are discussing silicon, germanium and tin. Kindly follow. In silicon hexachloride, the silicon atom is surrounded by 6 large chlorine atoms when compared to 6 fluorine atoms which are size is smaller. So therefore, a repulsion occurs between chlorine atoms and silicon and hence unstable when compared to all other compounds. So this is highly unstable. Kindly follow. So correct answer is B. This is the correct answer. So SiCl4 within bracket 2 minus is not stable. That is unstable. Question number 5. This is the question asked in 2020. NEET 2020. Question number 5. Which of the following is not correct? Please follow. Not correct about carbon monoxide. A. The carboxyhemoglobin, that is hemoglobin bound to CO, is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. Number B. It is produced due to incomplete combustion. C. It forms carboxyhemoglobin. D. It reduces oxygen carrying ability of blood. Please follow. So let me explain what topic this question is asked. So this question is asked under the P block elements, specifically oxygen family, or even you take carbon family, because C is there, oxygen is there. So you can take anything. So I can give priority because of the activity of oxygen only this is happening. So I am taking consideration oxygen family. So let me come for the explanation. Kindly follow. Please follow. The correct answer is A. Why? This is very simple. Why it is the carboxyhemoglobin is less stable than oxygen hemoglobin? It is given. It is the wrong statement. It is not correct. Because what is the correct statement? Carboxyhemoglobin is more stable than oxyhemoglobin. So how can we compare this? You take hemoglobin, kindly follow, hemoglobin, and allowed to attack by O2 and CO2. CO. What is happening now? This is non-polar molecule, this is polar molecule. So polar molecule easily attack hemoglobin, preferentially oxygen. So this is more stable. That is carbon monoxide and hemoglobin formation, that is called carboxyhemoglobin, is more stable than corresponding oxyhemoglobin. That's why in presence of carbon monoxide, kindly follow, patient will go for coma stage, then they will go for death. So you should be, so carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Even in the atmosphere, if you are happen to inhale carbon monoxide, we will die. So correct statement is A. That means this statement is not correct. It is not correct. Please follow. Question number 6. It is asked in NEET 2020. Identify the correct statement from the following. A. Carbon dioxide gas is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. B. The structure of C60 contains 12 6-carbon rings and 25 carbon rings. C. ZSM5, a type of zeolite, is used to convert alcohol into gasoline. D. Carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless gas. So options are A, B and C only. B, C and D only. C, A, B and C only. D, A and C only. Okay, let me introduce what topic this is asked. This is again under the unit P block element, specifically carbon family or oxygen family. Please follow, or oxygen family. Kindly follow. Now let me come for this one. Fluorine, actually carbon exists in three allotropic form. One is graphite, diamond and fluorine. Graphite, you know already, it will be in the form of layer, you have studied already. The diamond also you have studied. Probably fluorine may not be known, that's why I am showing this. So this is the 5-member ring, kindly follow. And we have the 6-member ring, you can have here, just see here, there is a 6-member ring. Kindly follow. So it is there. So now let me read this. That is, correct answer is, kindly follow, C is the correct answer. That means A is a direct question. Carbon dioxide is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen. Correct. The structure of C60 contains 12 6-carbon rings and 25 carbon rings. Correct. Is that SM a type of zeolite is used to convert alcohol into gasoline? It is also correct. So option C is the correct answer. Kindly follow. This is the correct answer. So I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation you given. If you are a newcomer for my channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel, I will thank you for the first time you are seeing my video. If you are seeing the first time, kindly I request you click subscribe button to motivate me, and share this information to all your friends. And one important information for my channel I have to give. Because for the last 3 years we are suffering from pandemic, the corona. So simply sitting in the house without going outside. So I was thinking that as a professor, I want to help poor students of India. So I want to start a channel, NEET Chemistry, so that the entire syllabus of starting from 8th standard to 12th standard syllabus, chemistry topics, I want to discuss along with the question papers. So that will be useful for students, the poor student especially, and they need not go for tuition. And I will tell you, my dear student, if you follow my channel properly and if you follow sincerely, you can get 100 out of 100 in board examinations. If you go for NEET, 180 out of 180, 100% you will achieve. Another important information, for the students studying +1, +2 and +2 complete, you are waiting for the NEET common entrance examination for the coming academic year. I have a good news. I am running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry near bus stand since 1999. So we have a lot of achievement. All the achievements are shown in our website veterinary.is. in the home page in photograph. Every year, how many students, what is the first rank, everything will be given with the school name, photograph, everything will be given. The first achievement I want to mention here is R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School came All India first rank in JIPMAR. Nearly more than 10 lakhs people written the examination. Out of that, he came first from Pondicherry. We started our coaching only in 1999. In 2000, within 4 years, we got the All India first rank. And every year, a few students are entering into All India rank. Kindly follow. One, first achievement. Second achievement, for the last 21 years, if you compare, except 1 or 2 years, a few years, most of the time, our student got Pondicherry first rank. The proof it is given in the photo, in the photograph inside our home page. Kindly verify. And every year students also we are giving. This is our achievement. And another achievement is every year 10 to 20 students are entering into Japan Medical College. 150 to 200 students are entering into other medical colleges in Pondicherry through government quota by merit. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students are joining in other engineering colleges. This is our achievement of Vetri Coaching Center. I want to give one more information. We have a Vetri Daughters online site platform. Why we started this online platform? Because through Vetri Coaching Center, only from Pondicherry students are enjoying. So we want to bring this benefit to throughout India. So we brought this Vetri Daughters. What is the important feature of Vetri Daughters so that you can achieve our goal? That is, our goal is to become a doctor. So Vetri Daughters is containing 200 video lessons, 200 unit test. Please follow. 200 video lessons were taken by professor with a Dr.R.G degree and teaching experience of 20 to 30 years in NEET, IIT and medical coaching. Also, these video lessons are framed in such a way that it is the BSc level, covering and all syllabus from BSc, IIT, CBSc, Samachir, MSET Andhra. We have included. Please follow. So the advantage is when you view the video, the full of notes will be there. Definition, notes, derivation, everything will be there. If you go through the lesson. And if you are finding anything is new for you, please touch the video, it will stop, take notes, and again touch, it will run. Like our YouTube. Please follow. And another important thing is coming for the 200 unit test. This is the most important, which is not available in any other online coaching. It is exactly identical that of NEET All India examinations. Each unit is containing 45. So we have framed 200 unit means, for example, in chemistry 30 units, 30 into 2, 60 units are there. So for example, P block element, there will be test 1, there will be test 2. Each will be containing 45 questions. Please follow. So when you enter, click the test, a window will open. In the window, you can go to the P block elements. You will have two tests. First test, you can click, there is an attempt called attempt menu. You click the attempt, automatically a window will open. In the window, you can read this unit contain 45 questions, duration 45 minutes. One of each question is having 4 options. One of the 4 options is correct. For correct answer 4 more, wrong answer -1. Everything will be given. Are you ready? It will ask. So if you are ready, take a rough notebook and pen and then click OK. Immediately, question number 1 will appear in the screen. Along with option A, option B, option C, option D is there. And there is a clock below which is running from 45 minutes going below. And there is 3 menus are there below that. The center menu is complete. Right menu is next. Left is reverse. From click next, you go for second question, third, etc. Reverse you can click. Additional to this, kindly follow, there is here 1 to 45 number in yellow color below that. This is not available in other online leading coaching class. Please follow. This is having a characteristic role to qualify you to improve your quality. What way? Let me explain. Suppose you are reading the question number 1. You observed A is the correct answer. If it is a problem you are solving, A is the correct answer. Put a tick mark. Immediately what will happen? The question number 1, which is in yellow color, will change into green color. Question number 2 will blue, other question will be yellow color. Suppose, let us assume, you have complete after 20 minutes, just you see the again in the below 1 to 45 number, how many questions you have attended, it will be in green color. The question you have not attended will be blue and yellow color. Very, very easy. Easily, you can adjust the time. According to that, go fast or go slow, you can do it. So after completing, you click the complete center point. Immediately a window will open. You can see your mark immediately. Let's assume 140 by 180 you are getting. So you have last 40 marks. You want to assess, self-assessment. Which question you have done mistake, which question you have done correctly. So other online coaching, this facility is not there. Because they have not given that provision. We have given that provision. What way? Kindly follow. There is a menu called next to the mark. A review menu is there. Review menu is there. If you click review, a window will open. Again, question you can see 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Then after D, there is correct answer will be given in yellow color. And below that, there is a video solution. Your answer A will be in blue color. Please follow, my dear students. Your answer will be in blue color. That means each and every question, what answer you have given, you can yourself identify. It is not possible in other online coaching. This is the advantage of the daughters. So you compare your answer with the correct answer in yellow color. If both are correct, your answer is correct. Kindly follow. In some cases, occasionally, rarely, your answer may be right, but it is the yellow color will be wrong sometimes due to the printing mistakes. So in that case, you go to video solution, each and every question. In video solution, professor is taking class, there will not be any mistake at all. So you compare better blue with your video answer. 100% correct. If you have any doubt with yellow, then you just compare with your video solution. So when you click video, what way so how I taken the class for the NEET chemistry by Dr.R.G channel, what I am taking, the same way there is, professor will take class, 5 to 15 minutes he will take class. Read the question, read the option, explain the reason, everything will be given. Please follow. And so that you can easily develop your knowledge, improve your quality. So the first test you are getting 140. Immediately there is one more test beyond after that. You can go the set, immediately you attend again. Now instead of 140, you can go to 170 also out of 180. That means you can self-assessment you can do. You can improve your quality also. This facility is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. And also, this is very, very low cost. It is only 10,000 rupees per year for all subjects. All the 4 subjects, only 10,000 rupees. So even for a poor people, for whole year, 10,000 is nothing. So by how to pay 10,000? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, director of Vetri Coaching Center, through the Indian Bank account number 712719471, IFSC code IDIB 000P134, cell number 989417645, WhatsApp number also. Any query, any information, contact me. So thank you very much for the kind cooperation. See you again in my next topic. Bye-bye. Thank you.